Correct me if I'm wrong. I want you to tell me, because I know everybody's curious about this.
Let's do it.
If I go to ManyChat, now at this point, I have 5 places that I can communicate with people on different locations that they happen to spend their time at different times of the day. If I go to ManyChat and I have Instagram and I have Messenger and I have WhatsApp and I have text message and I have email. Can I actually build one single flow that does all 5 of them in one single flow conversation, like from Instagram DM, be like, hey, just, I did send you right now on Messenger this, or hey, on Messenger, hey, just check out the email, I attach a PDF. Is that possible that you have one flow doing that, or am I like hallucinating at this point? Tell me.
The answer is yes, you will be able to do that.
That is incredible, guys. I don't think you understand. Like what Messenger has meant to marketing in this world has been out of this world, right? Like my agency, we actually get clients we nurture, right? E-commerce wise, companies like 𝗙𝗢𝗥𝗡, they do millions of dollars. That's just Messenger. What Mike is saying is that we're about to triple these social media platforms inside ManyChat. Just like that, suddenly from having Messenger only, we're gonna go to having Instagram and WhatsApp, and that's gonna be something that we're probably gonna be riding that wave for a few years until, like Gary Vee likes to say,
marketers ruin everything. It's what we do. It's our job. We see something shiny and we squeeze the fucking shit out of it.
Right? But I think we're gonna have a few years that we're gonna be able to ride that opportunity right there, which is quite massive. So can you paint us a little bit more of a bigger picture?
So for example, you can have a Facebook ad that goes into Facebook Messenger, asks the person for their email, and then sends an email with a link to a PDF or something. And that could be one flow. Like that, you can do that already right now. You can have a Messenger plus email type of flow on ManyChat. If you wanted to, you could do a 3-platform flow. You could have a Facebook ad that goes to Messenger that asks, let's say, for a phone number. And then, as you know, like our SMS is not regular SMS. Everything ManyChat does is focused on interactivity, to go beyond the edge, to go beyond what is expected of just a transactional message, just something that is like one way. So you could actually use our SMS solution to ask the person for their email and get that email through SMS and then send their email to them. And that also could be one flow. So you're going from Facebook ad to Messenger automation, ask for the phone number, send an SMS, ask for their email through SMS and send an email. And that could be all just one flow. Now, when you're talking about like, hey, I've sent this over to you on Messenger, the challenge with Messenger or Instagram or WhatsApp is that the 24-hour rule, right? If you want to send something, if you want to re-engage somebody beyond 24 hours, on Instagram, that's not possible. On Messenger, you can only do that within the strict rules of the message tags. So if it's a confirmed event reminder, sure, you could do that, right? But if it's something that's like not a post-purchase update or not a confirmed event update or not an account update, then you cannot use that for re-engagement. On WhatsApp, the rules, you have paid re-engagement. That is kind of like SMS, but you also need to get those messages approved. Like you cannot just create a message yourself and just like run with it like SMS. You need to kind of create the message and make sure it's approved by Facebook, and only then it will work. So it's not, as with everything, like you know better than anybody, like Facebook Messenger rules, they're not as simple as we would want them to be, but there are reasons for that. The same thing goes for Instagram, same thing goes for WhatsApp. But if you know those rules, then yes, like you're gonna be able to leverage any mix of the platforms as long as you're within those policies.